Step 1. Inspect the truck's exterior for damage, ensure tires are properly inflated, and verify no visible issues that could affect operation. Step 2. Verify all compartments are latched tightly, and check that all essential tools are inside, ensuring readiness for emergencies. Step 3. Ensure the fire hose and ladder are tightly fastened, preventing any movement that could cause damage or safety hazards while driving. Step 4. Check water levels in the tank and engine fuel to ensure ample resources for emergency operations during a response. Step 5. Turn on the emergency lights and siren to verify they operate correctly, ensuring visibility and alertness during emergency responses. Step 6. Confirm all crew are seated and buckled up, ensuring safety before departure. That was the final step.